Do you ever get to the end of the day and wonder where all the time went? You were busy, you did things, but that big goal of yours, it's still sitting exactly where it was yesterday. It feels like you're running on a treadmill, moving constantly, but never actually getting anywhere. This happens because our days are run by a series of automatic habits. We can sort these unconscious actions into a few categories. First, there are comfort loops. These are the things we do to escape a moment of stress or boredom, like grabbing a snack when we're not hungry or watching another episode of a show we are not even enjoying. Their job is to offer immediate temporary relief. Second, we have the empty calories. These are the actions that fill empty space without providing any real value, like scrolling through a social media feed for 30 minutes. They are masters at consuming time while producing nothing. And third, there are the approval ticks. This is the constant checking of our phone for notifications or emails. Each buzz provides a small hit of validation, making us feel wanted or important, even if the message itself is not. Now here's a simple process to start redesigning your day. First, conduct a simple action audit. For just one day, keep a log on a piece of paper. Write down what you're actually doing hour by hour. This is not for judgment. It is just about gathering objective data on how your time is spent. Second, pick one habit from that list and define its job. Ask yourself, what problem does this action solve for me in the moment? For example, the job of mindless scrolling at 3 p.m. might be to avoid starting a difficult work task. Third, find a better candidate for that job. If the job is to avoid a difficult task, a better candidate might be a 5-minute walk outside. Clear your head and write down a rough draft of how you can go about fixing it. This new action should solve the same underlying need, but in a way that serves you better. Fourth, rig the environment for success. To make the walk easier, leave your shoes by the door. To make scrolling harder, move the distracting apps off your home screen. This uses physical friction, not willpower, to guide your choices. Finally, run a 48-hour sprint. Try this new system for just 2 days. The short time frame makes it a low-stakes experiment. You'll get immediate feedback on what works, allowing you to make small adjustments and try again. If you have other practical tips for replacing these automatic habits, please share them in the comments to help everyone else here.